Hi, I'm Gaurav and I'm working with the Mumbai Public Schools project with Nandi Foundation. It's been exactly a year and 2 months since I joined the organization. I was working with the Boston Consulting Group before that and for 2 years, and I graduated from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay in 2008. My majors were material science and metallurgical engineering. My first my first foray into social sector was in college itself, where I volunteered with this organization called Unnati, and we went to a small village in Sangli where we tried to see what the village has done to sort of self-sustain itself. So they had created their own dams to ensure that water is not wasted, water is harvested. They had actually went ahead, sought help from Art of Living to create toilets in their own homes, and they had created a small biogas plant. What was interesting when I went there and when I talked to the villagers over there was the spirit with which they were ready to work to change their own lifestyles. They were all uneducated, they had no clue of why something is important, but the fact that they were so enthusiastic about changing their own lives is something that stuck with me. That was when I was in third year. However, when fourth year came, I sort of hopped onto the popular bandwagon and tried to sit for all the prestigious jobs. Luckily, I got placed on day zero with the Boston Consulting Group, where I was working for 2 years. It was one experience I think that really shaped up. I got to know a lot of global best practices. I worked with a lot of multinational companies, trying to advise them create strategies for their growth. The other thing I really went back to always was the experience that I had in college, and I really wanted to see is there something that we can do that will bring about a positive, sustainable change in the society. Um, I actually never thought of Nandi at that time. I started applying to the United Nations Development Fund, I applied to UNESCO, I applied to the World Bank. All of them, got back to me saying that you are too new into the sector, you have no prior experience, and the only way that you would get into with a freshers, experience into these organizations is that you have to actually either get an MS in economics or do a master's in social work / development or public policy. That clearly was not an option for me. I actually started talking to a mentor of mine in BCG, and I told him that I'm really interested in moving into the social development sector. Where, what are some of the options? And at that time, we were doing a CSR project with a client who was trying to create a corpus which would help non-profit sector. And the client was very, very enthusiastic about Nandi, and that's the first time that I heard about Nandi. It so happened that a senior of mine, Shubhankar, who was also working with Nandi at that time, just posted a mail to his batchmates in BCG saying that they are looking for a cluster manager, and if anybody would be interested, they'll be happy to talk to them. And that's the first time that I actually heard of Nandi. I came here. And one of the biggest reasons that I was looking forward to come to Nandi was that in IIT you are full of, the whole campus is full of people who have, mathematically strong, analytical rigor, very similar personalities. When I went to BCG, there were people again from IITs and also IIMs, again very similar backgrounds, very similar personalities. I think one thing that I was looking forward to in professional life was engaging with people who are from diverse backgrounds. I remember the first day I walked into Nandi for my interview in July. It was raining very heavily, and there were all these people who were sitting at 6 o'clock in the evening, and the environment was very, very informal, very, very welcoming, and I think that's one thing that I really picked on to. I had around an hour conversation with Shubhankar and Samir, and then Samir just mentioned that, why don't you come along to the MCGM office in Hindu Colony to just get a feel of how the government works. And I told him that is that okay, because I've just come here, I have no idea of how to interact with government officials, and he's like, yeah, come along. And that's when I went and met Mrs. Geeta Moria, who is the head of public-private partnership cell in MCGM. And I think right at that moment I sort of knew that this will be one project which will be really exciting. I think the opportunity that it has thrown in terms of trying to engage the system to bring about a change rather than replacing it, I think that's very, very novel and unique. I think no other a non-profit is trying that right now in India, and I think that's the USP that Mambi has, and it should always maintain.